Hey there, it's Brittany Chavers and I am back with Jesse James Beads, and we're going to use this really cool Colored Trends Mix Smoke and Mirrors today, and we're going to make a fun statement necklace. I'm also going to use some of this chain from Jesse James Beads. Love all the circles. All right, the beginning of our necklace is going to be this piece of chain, and this is about 12 inches. Here's the center right there. I am going to make a series of drops using the Colored Trends Mix. I'm starting with some ball head pins. And I'm going to take this large drop, beautiful crystal, and create a dangle using some pliers. We're just going to wire wrap that closed. You can use a second pair of pliers to pull that wrap around. There we go. I'll just trim that off. So we have a drop. Then I have some 22 gauge beadle-on German style wire, and we're going to create a couple links to make that drop a little bit longer. And then I'm just going to start a wire wrapped loop here. And wrap that a couple times. I have this beautiful matte and shiny crystal. I'm going to slide that on and then start another wire wrapped loop at the top. But before closing that, I'm going to snap that right onto the top of my larger crystal and the loop there. And then we're going to wire wrap that closed. And then I'm going to do that one more time for one more bead to go on top of our wire wrapped pendant. So here I am going to snap on that loop to our pendant and then wire wrap closed. Put on our next bead, and then before I close this, I'm going to slip the larger middle ring on to our pendant. And then we'll close that up. Okay, and that is our first drop on our necklace. I'm going to do another set of drops right here using these beads. And then another set up here using these beautiful emerald shaped or emerald cut shaped crystals. I'll go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. All right, so all of our pieces are attached to the bottom part of the chain. I love the sparkle that's coming off of all these crystals. I added 2 small crystals to the side. I grabbed these matte crystals out of the the mix, and we are just going to wire wrap them into a little bit of chain. I am going to finish the necklace off with this beautiful gunmetal sparkle chain, so we'll have a little bit of mixed metals here, but it ties in really well with the smoke and mirrors colors. So we're just going to do a little bit of beaded chain, and I'm going to take 2 of the matte larger crystals and then 3 of the smaller matte crystals, and just wire wrap those with using the 22 gauge wire. You can do simple loops, which would make the necklace go much more quickly, or you could do the wire wrap loops. I'm just going to do the wire wrap because I've already done that here, but if you decide you want to do simple loops down here, that's totally fine too. So I am going to start by making 1 loop. And I am just going to do the exact same thing that I did down here to create our links. And I'm actually going to link this one onto my chain. And we'll link these 2 together. Okay, and then I'll wire wrap these 2, and then the last one we'll wire wrap onto this chain. Okay, we are going to wrap this one onto the chain. And there we go, we're attached, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, here is our finished necklace. It's actually long enough with the sparkle chain that I don't need to put a clasp on it, but if you would like a clasp, all you have to do is cut it in the middle and attach with a jump ring. I love the beaded chain. This is just a custom statement necklace. You can use any of your favorite Jessie James beads mixes, but I just love this smoke and mirrors mix. Makes everything look so glitzy and glamorous. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Jessie James Beads for having me back, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.